Assalamu alaikum friends, how have you been? Hope you've been okay. In today's lecture I'm gonna have to start with some few examples where, about power, okay? We discussed all the simple rules about power, how to simplify power, and some rules regarding to that. In this video I'm gonna have to share with you some examples using all those rules that we studied in order to practice them and to understand them practically what they really mean. But if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel, then hit the bell icon until you receive all of my new videos and notifications. So let's get started. Look at the first question. 20 over 3 whole to the power 0. How would you solve it? I told you that anything to the power 0 equals 1. So here, you could write here its answer as 1. But if you want to simplify it, then we also studied a rule here. The 0 belongs to 20, also belongs to 3. So 20 to the power 0 equals 1, divided by 3 to the power 0 equals 1. So 1 over 1 equals 1. The same. Anything to the power 0 equals 1. Look at the second question. If you were given a question like this, 10 to the negative 5, how would you solve it? I also talked about a rule that is, if you want to change the negative powers into positive 1, then you shouldn't have to change the numerator and denominator. Here we have the denominator, which is 1, okay? So I could write here 1 over 10 whole to the power, 1 over 10 to the positive 5, okay? 1 over 10 to the positive 5. If you want to change 1 and 10 again with each other, then this 5 becomes negative, okay? This is a rule. Look at here. This rule could be written as a to the negative pretend b, negative n. Okay, negative n. If you want to change it, then you could write a to the positive n. You could do the reverse work as well. Look at here the third question. So easy, okay? 5 multiplied by, this becomes 1. Anything to the power 0 equals 1. Plus 3 multiplied by 1. Anything to the power 0 equals 1. So 5 multiplied by 1, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So easy and so sweet. Of course it is. Hope you got it, okay? Try to have a copy and note them, okay? You want to do it by your own, then try them out. Look at here. How would you solve it? We don't have any rule. I shouldn't have to simplify each, then do simple addition and subtraction. So negative 2 to the power 8, 3, it becomes negative 8. Negative 8 minus 5 to the power 2 becomes 25 plus 3 equals minus 5, minus 8 and minus 25. We're gonna have to add up the same terms, okay? It becomes minus 33 plus 3 equals minus 30. Look at here. If you were given a question that has power over power over power, okay? Pretend this, here we have 3. How would you solve it? The easiest way to write the base. What is the base? It is 3. Then multiply the exponent with each other. 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 6 and 2, 4, 24. So easy, okay? It's a piece of cake. Piece of cake means to something that is very much easy to do. Look at the next question. How will you solve it? This is the same as this question, okay? Here, this 4 belongs to A, belongs to B. A to the 2 into 4, 8. Multiplied B to the 3 into 4, 12. Okay? Look at here, the last question. How will you solve it? Anything to the power 1 again is equal to that number. Whatever you have written, okay, in the base. What is the base? 3 over 20 whole to the power 1. It becomes 3 over 20. Multiplied by, again is equals to 3 over 20. 3 into 3, 6, 20, 20, 400. Then you could simplify more. Yeah, 3 over 200. This was the 7th question. Look at here, the 8th question, okay? What should you do? Are the bases same? No. Are the exponents same? No. You shouldn't have to do a work to make the base same. What you shouldn't have to do, you shouldn't have to convert this. The places of 1 and the place of 2. Then the power will be negative. According to this rule, okay, the power will be negative. So I could write this 2 over 1. I don't write, okay, 1. To the negative 7 multiplied 2 to the 20. Yeah, look at here. The bases are the same, okay? Taking one base, common base, adding up the exponents. Minus 7 plus 20 equals 2 to the 13. I hope you got it, okay? So simple, but here's the trick. You shouldn't have to be able to make the exponents or the power the same. One of them should be the same, then you could follow the rules that I taught you in the previous videos to get the results what is needed. Look at here, how will you solve this question? Yeah, here you could see the trick again, okay? You shouldn't have to make the bases the same. Here, 2 over 5 whole to the power 7 multiply. You shouldn't have to make this 4 as 2, 5 as 25 as 5, okay? Can't I write this 2 to the power 2 multiply 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 2? Of course I can. 2 to the power 2 equals n. 4 and 5 to the power 2 equals 25. So you should write 5 to the whole to the power 7 multiply. I could write this 2 to the power 2 over 5 whole to the power this 2, okay? 2 over 5 whole to the power this 2 whole to the power this 2. Look at here. We could do more about it, okay? 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 7 multiplied 2 over 5 whole to the power 22, 4. Look at here, the bases are the same, okay? You shouldn't have to add up the exponents. 2 over 5 whole to the power 7 plus 4, 11. Our final answer. I hope you got it. Look at this question, the last one question, probably the 10th one, okay? So this last question, I don't want to do it, okay? This is your homework. Look at this question. 3 over 2 whole to negative 2, 2 over 3 whole to 5, 9 over 27 whole to the positive 4. This is your homework. You shouldn't have to solve it by your own using all these rules, whatever and whichever rule is needed. You shouldn't have to do it by your own. And leave its answer in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer whether it's correct or incorrect. Well, thank you for your being with me, and support us. Share this video with any of your friends who's really interested in learning mathematics. Also, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next coming video. Bye for now.